time for another video. It's the start of August and I just harvested this cute little pumpkin. It's very cool, and it's been raining a lot, like heaps of rain, so everything's been a bit waterlogged. Something seems to have pulled up our cabbage and attacked it. Darn, it was over here before. Oh well, these things happen. Look at our big red hot pokers. Aren't they pretty? They're so cool. Dean got another fountain for the pond, so it looks cool now with two fountains. So that's very cool. The pumpkin came out of just here. So I just harvested some kale to be eating for dinners. And yeah, see if I had a tiny bit here. Got a lot of passion fruits somewhere on the vine there. Some projects going on. A lot of projects going on at the moment. But when it's raining it's a bit hard, so we've actually had a little break of the rain. And I bought a lemon verbena here a little while ago. So that's, and look, the strawberry has a flower. Yay. It's a new addition to the garden as well. Lettuce is finally coming along. Lots of other spinach and things. The coriander's gone to flower. It's quite pretty though. And I just harvested a heap of sweet potatoes. There's so much rocket growing over here. Oh, we had some cows get into the yard and they came into the garden and ate some things, but they didn't do much damage, which was a relief, really. But yeah, oh, that looks so cool with the pond now, having its little fountains going there. Look at these. Hello. Sweet potatoes. And oh look, busy bees on the flowers. Pretty yellow flowers from the bok choys. Hello, busy bee. Hello to just be a bee. Just floating around, going on flowers and buzzing around and having a fun time. Collecting all the pollen. Cool. And we've got this whole little garden. Something attacked these things, which is a bum. Not to worry, I guess. And lavender's going well. I've got these beds are having a bit of a rework with the metal on the side here. I went away to Brisbane for a few days and the snow peas have grown like crazy. I get to stake them up as much, but not to worry, I should still get some harvest. And the cows kind of got in and ate them a bit, which is a bummer. Look at all those cow patties. And everything's got very wet here. I'm surprised it's not raining today. We supposed to have a big event that we actually had cancelled because of the rain. Dean's rebuilding all the water barrels over there. And yeah, this is the new edging on the wicking beds, so yeah. good. It's quite windy today as well. So yeah, bit of projects as always. Kaffir limes having lots of limes. Yeah. And oh yeah, the tomatoes we had here, they went okay-ish. A lot of them kind of got eaten. I guess we just use the seeds to grow more, I suppose. But yeah, gardening always has those sorts of things going on. Fighting the critters. And not much new happening out the front at the moment. So quick video today. And this is having pretty flowers. I'll put some of my indoor plants outside to get some rain. Hello! There's me in the window in my PJs. And the sun's starting to go away again. Bit of a grey sky up there. Dean put the fence around the comfrey because the cows ate it. It was going great, and now it has to all grow back again. Oh well, these things happen. So yes, hope you're having a nice weekend. And I'll harvest some more rocket and spinach and bits and pieces to use for the week. Looks like the basil is all finished. Still got flowers over here from the marigolds. Very waterlogged at the moment. I'm sure the rain's going to start up again very shortly. I'll have to hang the washing inside. This is what happens with this weather. Okay, finish on the pretty red hot pokers.